Dirty, filthy van life food review for Dixie Donuts in Norwich, Connecticut. We got cheddar and chive scones that we put our blueberry preserves on.
We're treating them like biscuits. Bottom's pretty good. Not super dry. Very biscuit-like. Not a ton of like cheddar chive flavor, but I mean,
I get a ton of chive.
I was gonna say we do have blueberry jam on it. I'd get it again.
I would too.
8 out of 10.
Yeah. Continuing with Dixie Donuts. Nuts, of course. So we got a sugar yeast raised, a chocolate yeast raised, and a chocolate glazed cake.
Texture is great on the sugared, but it is definitely covered in sugar.
Yeah, it is. It's good.
I thought it was a chocolate cake. It's not a chocolate cake donut. It's just a cake donut glazed in chocolate. Chocolate's pretty sweet. Cake donut's average.
Yeah, it's not my favorite cake donut.
I really like the texture of the yeast donuts. They're a little bit dense, a little bit chewy. Overall, I'd give this another like 8 out of 10.
I was thinking 7.
Cake's my least favorite.
Yeah, cake's my least favorite as well. Alright, the last two things that we got from Dixie was a cinnamon roll and an apple fritter. And we're going to be quick so that we can get this all to fit in the video.
The apple fritter is a filled apple fritter, which I'm not a fan of. It's like a pie filling. Tastes pretty good.
Cinnamon roll's good.
Just not my favorite style. It's good though. Take it. Well.
Overall, I'd give them like a 7.5 or an 8 for the entire bakery.
8, yeah. I'd get them again.